Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to quickly turn announcements into engaging videos using RenderLion's announcement to video generator. First, sign up or log into your RenderLion account. Then head over to the announcement to video generator tool. Once you're in, click Turn Announcement to Video, or just hit Content to Video from the top menu, like I did. Super simple. Now, write or paste your announcement into the input field. For this example, I used a major product update from Pixteller. Big news from Pixteller. We're thrilled to officially announce that Pixteller is launching a brand new feature set designed to supercharge creativity for businesses and individuals alike. You can also add photos. But in this case, I went with just the text. Now, click Generate and let the RenderLion magic begin. In under a minute, RenderLion analyzes your announcement, builds a voiceover script, creates slide content, and assembles your video layout. And just like that, we've got 3 animated preview examples ready to go. Next, I click the Style button to apply one of my saved brand kits to the generated videos. This ensures brand consistency, including your colors, fonts, brand name, and even your avatar. I selected one of my predefined styles, but if you don't have a brand kit set up yet, no worries. Just leave it on random, and RenderLion will create something great for you. Then, I chose a random rock track for the background music. You can also skip this and let the AI pick the music that fits your vibe. Now it's time to fine-tune the content. Click the Edit Content button to make updates to the AI-generated layout. Here you can add or remove images, change the voice type, like I did, edit the text-to-speech script, update the text for each individual slide. Once your changes are set, hit Update. And boom! All updates are instantly applied to your previews. And don't forget, RenderLion automatically generates your video in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. In this tutorial, I kept the preview set to square, but all 3 versions are created simultaneously, so you're covered on every platform. Now, click the New Instant Hunt button and get ready for some RenderLion magic. With every click, a brand new set of 3 animated previews is generated in under a second. Hover over any preview to see it in motion, and if you like one, hit Save. It'll be added to your My Videos section for later use. Keep clicking New Instant Hunt as much as you want. It's like a creative slot machine. There are thousands of unique combinations, layouts, transitions, motion styles, all generated instantly based on your announcement. In my case, I'm stopping right here. This one caught my attention. Let's click on it and see what comes next. Once you've selected an animated announcement, remember, you can always edit it or even reuse it as a template for future videos. Super flexible. But now, I'm clicking the Render to Download button to turn this preview into a high-resolution video, complete with sound and voiceover. I also switched the format to Portrait and Landscape, hit Render to Download for each, and let RenderLion work its magic. In just a few minutes, you'll have your announcement rendered in all 3 popular formats: square, portrait, and landscape, ready for any platform. From TikTok to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and beyond, you're covered across the board. And bam! My animated announcement is now fully rendered and ready to download. And here's a bonus. RenderLion also creates a full set of thumbnail images for each video size. You can use them on your website, in emails, social posts, or wherever you want to promote your announcement with a visual punch. Honestly, it was so simple a kid could do it, and fast. And that's it. My announcement is now a scroll-stopping short video, made in minutes with 0 editing stress. Now it's your turn. Head over to RenderLion.com and turn your announcements into stunning short videos. Fast, easy, and free. Say it loud, say it proud. Let your message roar with RenderLion